This is Michael from Perfect Brake Caravans, just going through today window systems in caravans. This one I'm in at the moment is a Jayco, it is a Coachman Pastiche European caravan. The Jayco do have quite often, a lot of them, similar systems, not my one, but they do have a similar system. So I'm just going to show you the click-clack window system, which opens and how it works. Okay, so we'll just show you that by far. Okay, so you can see here, first of all, with this system, which is similar to some of the other locks in some of the other caravans, depends on the caravan, you do need to make sure that you listen and read things like this in the caravans. So press the round button in on the window catches to twist down to open. So you'll notice, I'll show you that way, push that in, twist it down to unlock it. Then you unlock the other side. Same thing, push that in, twist it down to unlock, and then you push the window out. And you'll hear a little click. Sometimes if it doesn't open and stay open, you just have to try again, just slowly, and it will click in place. And voila, you have got your window ready to go. Also, these ones have fly screens like most of them do, and lockout blinds you can pull down like that. You squeeze in the side parts and then it will work as so. This one will pull up from the bottom and actually connects to the top and clicks in with that little button there. Okay, you can have them halfway too if you want. So you want to stop the sun coming through the top, but still want air in the bottom part. You can maneuver them that way. To undo them, press that again, let that lower down. Don't just drop it because they're spring loaded and they'll just fly down. It's not good for them. And to get the top back up, you just squeeze that in again and it'll go right up. Again, to release the windows, you don't want to push these windows out too far because they're more likely to get stuck. Some caravans are worse for that. This one's pretty good. If they ever do get stuck, on the other side of them, there's like a little hole similar to that size on this other side that you can push in where it's stuck, like with the end of a fork or something, just to push a little spring-loaded mechanism inside to make it release. However, you shouldn't really need to do that. What you should do instead is just push it out gently until it releases. Okay? If it doesn't, then you might just have to do it again or change your angle. Make sure you're pressing also in the middle of the window. Don't sort of do it here or hold the handles. A, you're more likely to break the handles, they're just plastic. B, it's not going to work as well because it's not as balanced. So to lock them, you pull them back in, push it around that way till that pops out. Same here. You'll see it pop out in a minute. There it goes. To make sure you're locked and your home and hose ready to go. The only other thing I would say is don't leave your blinds down when you're driving. It's not good for your caravan or even when it's sitting in storage. You could leave them down a little bit like I've done on the front one here, just to keep the sun coming out through the top direction. But if you leave them right down, these blinds just sort of click in, just push in gently towards the outside to get it to click in. If you left them right down like this, which is good when you're on site and you want to block the sun out, but if you leave them right down like that, the spring in the part underneath, which you can't see, which is in under there, will loosen and they won't go up and down easily and you'll have problems with them. So that's a key tip, to make sure that if you're going to leave them down, they're only down a little bit like that. The other thing you can do is pull, blinds across, curtains across and things like that when you're driving instead, which will move obviously, but still it's better than wrecking the blinds. All right, thank you for watching from Perfect Brake Caravans.